Okay, so now we'll learn about laws of exponents. In laws of exponents, what is there? Suppose there is a number a, okay, and if there is a square, okay, so a square actually means a into a. If there is a cube means a into a into a. If there is a to the power 4, that means a into a into a into a. So that means if there is a to the power 100, that means a into a into a into a into dot 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 100 times a multiplied to itself, okay. Now so if we write a to the power n, so that means a into a into a into a into a into dot 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 into n times. A is multiplied n times to itself, okay. A is multiplied n times to itself, n times a is multiplied to itself, okay. So that is the thing. Now when we write a to the power n, this is known as the base and this is known as the exponent, okay. Now what happens is that in this example you have a whole number. If you have a whole number, you have a natural number, actually a positive integer as the power or the exponent. If you have negative number, then what is its meaning? Suppose a to the power minus 2, then it is the meaning is a square. Suppose it is a to the power minus 3, then its meaning is 1 by a to the power 3. Suppose it is a to the power minus n, that means 1 by a to the power n. Always remember this. This is first rule. Rule number 1. Now rule number 2 is always remember that there can be fractional power also, like a to the power 1 by 3, or it can be a to the power 1 by 2, or it can be a to the power 1 by 4, or it can be a to the power 1 by 5, or it can be a to the power 1 by 100, or whatever. It can be a to the power 1 by n basically, okay. N can be any number. So in that case we write it like this. A to the power 1 by 2 is written as a inside and here root over of 2, okay. Here it is written 2, but generally in mathematics we don't write this 2, so we write it simply like this, root over a. For other numbers we write like this, a to the क्यूब रूट में यहाँ पे 3 लिख देते हैं, इट इज़ क्यूब रूट. सर यहाँ पे भी ऐसे करने से इसके साथ ये हो जाएगा, कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा, इसलिए 3 लिखना पड़ता है. सिर्फ 2 के जगह में हम लोग 2 नहीं लिखते हैं. इसको लेते हैं फोर्थ रूट ऑफ ए, इसको लिखते हैं फिफ्थ रूट ऑफ ए, ठीक है. इसको लिखते हैं 100th रूट ऑफ ए, इसको लिखते हैं, इसका मतलब nth रूट ऑफ ए. आया बात समझ में? ठीक है, ये दिमाग में रखना पड़ेगा. सो दैट मीन्स ए टू द पावर, ये सबसे दिमाग में ज़्यादा रखो. ए टू द पावर 2 मीन्स ए टू द पावर 2 मीन्स ए इंटू ए, बट ए टू द पावर हाफ मीन्स रूट ओवर ऑफ ए. Okay, the meaning is root over of a. Always remember this. Okay, this has been told earlier also, right? So this is the thing, I just mentioned it and all I have mentioned. Now another rule number 3. Rule number 3. In case of rule number 3, what happens? In case of rule number 3, we write that in case of rule, why it is not focusing? In case of rule number 3, what do we write? In case of rule number 3, we write that suppose for example you have a to the power n into a to the power m. Always remember it is a to the power n plus m. इसका मतलब हुआ if there is 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 6, that means 5 to the power 6 plus 2 is 8. If there is root over of 5 into cube root of 5, suppose. So that definitely means 5 to the power half into 5 to the power 1 by 3. So that will be equals to 5 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So that will be equals to 5 to the power 2 or 3 ka LCM is 6. So 3 plus 2. So that will be equals to 5 to the power 5 by 6. So what is the meaning actually of this? Actually the meaning of this is 5 to the power 6th root, as because you can write it as 5 to the power 5 into 1 by 6. Okay. So it is the 6th root of 5 to the power 5. I hope that you understand this. Okay. So that is the thing. That is the basic thing that you have to understand. No, but here what we have learned, here we have learned basically that if it is a to the power n into a to the power m, means if the bases are same and the exponents are different, and if they are multiplied, then it is a to the power m plus n. In the same way, if it is a to the power rule number 4, okay, if it is a to the power m, okay, divided by a to the power n, it can be written as a to the power m by a to the power n also, then you will see that what happens, it is a to the power m minus n. So that means if there was 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 to the power 8, so that means 5 to the power 6 by 5 to the power 8, so it will be 5 to the power 6 minus 8, so that will give you 5 to the power minus 2, which will give you 1 by 5 square, because it is negative. You have learned previously also negative goes down. Okay, I am giving you another example. Suppose if there was root over of 2 into cube root of 2, so that means, oh sorry, divided by cube root, so that is root over 2 divided by cube root of 2, so that means it is 2 to the power half by 2 to the power 1 by 3, so it will be 2 to the power half minus 1 by 3, so it will be 2 to the power 2 into 3, 6, 3 minus 2, so see, 2 to the power 1 by 6, so this means 6th root of 2, here 6. Okay, so I hope that you have understood up to this much. Okay, now there is another rule number 5. Okay, suppose it is a to the power m whole to the power n, then always remember it is a to the power m into n. That means if there is suppose 7 square whole to the power 8, so that means it is 7, 2 8 ja 16. Okay, if there is 8 square whole to the power 3, then it is 8, 2 3 ja 6, so 8 to the power 6. In the same way, suppose if they say 5 square whole to the power 4, then it is 5, 2 4 ja 8. If they say root over of 5 whole to the power 1 by 3, then it is 5 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power 1 by 3, then it is 5 to the power 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, that is 5 to the power 1 by 6. So in that way we go, and this is the reason why. Now I will tell you, you had learned no that if there is root over 4, then 2 comes out. If there is root over 16, then 4 comes out. All the perfect squares comes out. This was taught no earlier. This was taught, sure. Huh? I had told this. If there is suppose root over 36, then 6 comes out. Why it comes out? See, I will show you. Root over of 4 means what? 4 to the power half, yes or no? Now listen carefully. 4 can be written as 2 square to the power half, yes or no? So that means 2 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. What do you get? 2. Understood why 2 came out? And suppose root over 16. So that means what? 16 to the power half. So you can write what? 16 is 4 square. 4 4 is 16 to the power half. So that means 2 cancel. You get 4. Then you get root over 36. Root over 36 means 6 to the power, sorry, 36 to the power half. But 36 can be written as 6 square to the power half. So accordingly it will be multiplied. So 2 cancel. So answer is 6. So this is the reason why perfect square comes out of root over. Understood? I will give you another example so that you can understand. Suppose for example there is 8 of cube root of 8, then also 2 will come out. Why you know? Because cube root of 8 means uh, 8 to the power 1 by 3, which actually means 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, to the power 1 by 3. So 2 into 3 into 1 by 3. So that will give you what? 2. So this also happens in the cube root chapter also in the class 8 you have learned. So I hope that I am being able to make you understand all these things. And I hope that you have understood. Now we will go into the sums.